Oh, wow! Whoopsie daisy. Hiya, folks. Ready for some Maestro magic?
Yes!
Ahem! Well, thank you. You can't start without this. Let's see now. Gotta get this just right. A 1, a 2, let's make some music, yahoo! Gosh, well, that's not supposed to happen. That's better. Oh, come on now. Ouch! Okay, Baton, you're fired. Oh, pretty. Told you I was a maestro. Gosh, was that a tuba or my tummy? Oh, now cut that out. You're stealing my spotlight. Gosh. No. Come on, orchestra. Pick up the pace. Uh-oh. Wait. Slow down. Hey, somebody turn the water off. Whoa, there we go. Back in business. A 1, a 2. Oh boy! let's hear it for my orchestra. They've been fantastic, don't you think? And of course, can't forget the fountains. They really know how to make a splash. Oh, thank you, thank you. You've been a wonderful crowd. See you real soon. Come on, everybody. We got to get marching to our next gig.